guys, this is Chef Irene. Welcome to Esquisine Kitchen. As of now, we are all in a deep crisis because of the coronavirus. Nobody allowed to travel and most of the big cities are locked down. So here I am to take you to my culinary journey through my cooking. As some of you following me in social media, I'm getting a lot of requests to post more food videos. So your request is granted. So I will make it simple and clear that you can follow the instruction easily. Today we are going to bring you to French cuisine, Crepe Suzette, but instead of using the orange, I use apple and lemons. Join me to my culinary journey and let's cook! Now guys, we're done with cooking and this is my favorite part of all, the tasting time. So, use it as a dessert, you know, if you have that nice vanilla ice cream, you can put it on top of it. Or with a good dessert wine. Cheers! Thank you for watching, and please follow my Instagram, Esquisine, Instagram and Facebook page. Thank you, bye bye.